Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Tesla. Haven't done a video on Tesla here for a while, and haven't done any videos, period, for about 2 weeks. So just turning out a couple videos here tonight. But this is Tesla. As you can see, I only have 2 shares here in Robinhood and a partial. Have some more in a retirement. I wish I would have bought some more of this back when it was $250, I think sometime last year. But of course I didn't. I waited until it was in the $400 range, and as you can see, ever since then it's just went kind of up and kind of down. Even if I'd have bought some more in here, to be doing alright, and it's just been on a tear here in the last month or so. So up over 178% in the last year, up over 70% in the last 3 months, up over 56% in the last month. So that would have been the time to gotten in here, or in the 3-month mark, whichever. You still made some money. And here's what it's done the last week, so still pretty good, even a little bit over 6%. And I'm starting to kind of wonder what's going to happen with this one, if it's going to stay in this range or drop, or almost tempted to sell it. That's just kind of tempting. But if you don't know what Tesla is, you need to get out from underneath the rock or wherever you're living and get with the times and watch the videos. And this is founded in 2003, up over $1 trillion market cap. 52-week low of 396. That must have been about pandemic time that it was about 250, somewhere right around in there. Would have been an excellent time to buy it. You could almost made $1,000 per share. So 52-week high of 1,243. That was probably just hit last week. And still not the greatest ratings on this one. At least it's still at a buy, but this one's always been questionable. But then they have earnings coming up on the 26th again, so I haven't bought any of this one in a while. So you can see the last time I bought it and just threw $10 at it here and there. I should have kept doing that throughout the year if I'd have known it was going to run up like it did, but of course I didn't. So got a couple articles here. Twitter users say yes to Musk proposal to sell 10% of his Tesla stock. And this just come out 6 hours ago. So I wonder if it'll tell us how much 10% of the stock that would be. It'd probably be a ton, but wish I had 10% of his. I could probably retire. So Tesla Incorporated CEO Elon Musk should sell about 10% of his Tesla stock, according to 57.9% of the people who voted for Twitter poll asking users on the social media network whether he should offload the stake. I was prepared to accept either outcome, Musk said after the voting ended. The world's richest person tweeted on Saturday that he would offload 10% of his stock if users approved the proposal. Musk has previously said he would have to exercise a large number of stock options in the next 3 months, which would create a big tax bill. Selling some of his stock could free up funds to pay the taxes. As of June 30th, Musk's shareholding in Tesla came to about 170.5 million shares, and selling 10% would amount to $21 billion based on Friday's closing. So, wow. That's amazing. The poll garnered more than 3.5 million votes. Much is made lately of the unrealized gain being a means of tax avoidance, so I propose selling 10% of my stock, Musk said on Saturday, adding that he does not take cash, salary, or bonus from anywhere and only has stock. And so don't really feel sorry that he's not getting a salary or anything else when you can sell that and get that much out of just 10% of the stock. Jeez, that's crazy. Anyway, moving on, I'd take 10% of his 10%. Even 5 or even 1%. I'd figure out what that would be, so that'd still be a chunk. Crazy numbers. It's time for the billionaire's income tax, including stock options. Musk owns 23% stake in Tesla, the world's most valuable car company, whose market value exceeds $1 trillion, who also owns other valuable companies, including SpaceX. So just crazy money. Sold 88,500 Tesla shares, becoming the latest board member to offload a large number of Tesla stock. Hit record highs. So don't know what this one's going to do, and if he does sell it, it's hard to say what will happen with the stock price. We'll just have to wait and see. But be interesting to see what happens with the stock price. Just have to keep watching it. But I've been watching this one ever since it started going up, and it's just, I was wondering where it's going to cap out at. So I heard one person say it could hit $2,000, so we'll have to wait and see. Here's another article. Musk on Saturday put a potential share sell for a popular vote on Twitter. So kind of some of the same information. Says yes to Musk proposal, 10%. And this is on Yahoo Finance, so I'd be smiling too. So maybe, who knows how much he has to pay in tax, but yeah, he's still no worries there. So again, kind of some of the same information. I was prepared to accept either outcome, Musk said after the voting ended. So I'm sure he dumps a little bit here and there when it hits these type of prices. I don't know why you wouldn't, but much is made lately on unrealized gain being a means of tax avoidance, so I propose selling 10% of the stock. And so who knows how much of that will go to taxes. If you know, go ahead and put that in the comments, including stock options. Musk owns 23% stake of Tesla. World's, we already covered some of that, so it would be interesting to know. Maybe he doesn't know how much he's going to pay in taxes, but that'd be a scary amount. Crypto Tesla tokens dropped 6.8% after Musk suggests selling stock, so that's going to hurt the crypto and Doge and whatever else. So if you have any information on Doge, I've done a couple videos on that. I'm still holding some, probably at about a 23-25 cent cost basis. I haven't even checked it here in a while, but over here on Reddit, Tesla, please don't. Elon. Stock twits currently at 1,222. It'll be interesting to see what the price does on it tomorrow. So 52-week low. If you could have got that, you'd be sitting pretty right now. Elon just pulled up with a new price target. Tesla, so if Twitter pill makes Musk next week, how hard will this drop? That's what I'm wondering. That's hilarious. Bill Cosby. The dead dog by Workhorse. Workhorse sucks right now. I'm pissed off at Workhorse. You can check out my Workhorse videos in the library as well. I think my cost basis on it is $19 in my Robinhood account. It's probably about $8 in retirement. Just gonna set on it. Price target upgrade to 1,800. Wow. It's tempting. Currently at a hold, so this is what's kind of scary, and kind of maybe this will change tomorrow, but it's showing a high of 1,300, low of 215. If it hit that, I would be buying some more. But that's all I have on Tesla. Just wanted to make a quick video, and that information just came out yesterday, so perfect time to make a video. So if you have Tesla, go ahead and put how many shares you have in the comments and what your cost basis is. That would be interesting to know. And if there's any other EV favorites out there that you want to see a video on, I'd be happy to make one as well. So, and that's all that I have on Tesla. So if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. And what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 1100. Going to be making some more videos here this week and get back on the YouTube. So, again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.